ready for a Misfits Market box unboxing. I'm stoked. All y'all know this is my favorite day of the week. So, I'm gonna crack into this bad boy. And we'll see what we got. So when you first open a Misfits Market box, recipe card. This recipe card is roasted acorn squash with rosemary and parmesan. Parmesan. It's funny because I actually just finished eating half of an acorn squash. They pack it really well. They pack it with this like thermal stuff. And then you always get the same 4 ice packs. So I'm getting quite a collection of ice packs because I get this every week. Number 1, let's see what we got first. Grapes, organic, green, seedless grapes. Number 2. Number 3. Collards? Question mark? I'm gonna say collards. They do not label stuff, so if you're really unfamiliar with a lot of vegetables, they're not going to be labeled. It looks like a purple collard or something, maybe? I don't know. It's thicker than, say, like a chard, but it's purple. I'm going to be Googling that later. Aubergine! 1 eggplant, 2 eggplants. Green onions, haven't had those in a couple of weeks. I was actually complaining 2 weeks ago about green onions because I thought we were getting too many of them. They wound up stopping for a couple of weeks. They sometimes put things in these little green, like biodegradable bags too. They are actually compostable bags. They are bell peppers, so 1 and 2. They're such cute little bell peppers. Look how cute these things are. You know, typically the smaller produce is, the better it tastes. That's one thing I've noticed across all of these Misfit Market boxes is that some of the produce is a lot smaller and has a much more like explosive flavor. 2 pomegranates. I just opened 3 pomegranates from last week's box. I've never seen one of these boxes. It looks like a to-go box from a restaurant. What have we got? Oh, shoot. Green tomatoes? I think, I'm gonna guess that is a green tomato. If you guys know, let me know in the comments, but my guess is it's a tomato. Oh man, I may be making some fried green tomatoes because I don't know what else to do with tomatoes that are green. Okay. Zucchini. As per usual, we get 1 piece of produce that is always broken in half. It's a FedEx trick. They find some way to like go in and break 1 piece of produce in half. What else? Lemons. 4 lemons. Have no idea what I'm gonna do with those. There's a whole nother layer. This is a shit ton of produce for 2 people. This just gives you an idea of how much we actually eat. We eat all of this. It's gone every week. Onion. 1, 2, onion for you, onion for you, onion for you. 5 red onions. We go through those like water. And oh my god, this is the coolest acorn squash ever. Look how pretty this thing is. It's gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen such a pretty acorn squash. Potato. I got 5 baking potatoes. No idea what to do with those. I don't really eat potatoes often, so I never know what to do. And the weirdest celery I think I've ever seen. It's round and crazy looking. Look at that. Look. Can you see it well? Look, it's like bent over and like super spread apart and stuff. This must be what they mean by misfits. But they're super cool. We got 2 organic celery stalks, which we haven't had in a little while. So that is the end of our box. That's it. That is a Misfits Market box. This is why I love this shit, guys. Half the stuff, it like challenges my cooking capabilities. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. It makes me stop and think and like plan and whatever, and I feel like most people don't do that. Everyone kind of goes to the grocery store and they sort of look between the same like 15 or 20 different pieces of produce. They never really go out of their comfort zone or whatever, but this really forces you out of your comfort zone and really makes you eat your colors, so to speak. So I'm gonna take a picture and put it up on the Instagram for you guys. If you like the Misfits Market box, this whole shebang was $35, and you can put it on any timing schedule that you want, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever, every week, every 2 weeks. They really do a good job with spreading it out as you need, and there is a smaller box too that's like 18, 20 bucks, something like that. I will drop my code in the description for 25% off of your first box. That's Misfit Market Box. See you later, guys.